Hi PA students, I'm Mrs. Snyman and I'm quickly going to give you a quick summary of topic 1, which is all about meetings. Alright, so you must remember there are different types of meetings. You get private, public, general and committee meetings. Make sure you know the difference. What is a meeting? It's when 2 or more people come together to discuss an issue and then also to make a decision about something that needs to be done. Alright. Then remember the few words that you've never heard before. Quorum means the least amount of people that has to attend the meeting to make that meeting and the decisions taken at the meeting legal. Then you also get the word proxy, which is when you give somebody else permission, written permission to vote on your behalf at a meeting. And then another word you've probably never heard is the word honoraria. Those are the fees that get paid to speakers at a meeting. All right, now remember we said a lot of the meeting protocols are things that you already know. It's common sense. They are very important documents that you have to prepare for a meeting. One is a notice of the meeting. Together with that, you need to attach an agenda, which is the roadmap of the meeting. Then also an attendance register that has to be signed by everybody present. And then also you have to take minutes during the meeting, which needs to be typed up after the meeting, and then all those documents are distributed before the next meeting again. So make sure that all the documentation is in order. Okay, what happens during the decision-making process and the problem-making process? Remember, there are steps. Go check in the notes. You need to be able to name those steps. And then also during the meeting, there are things that have to be in order. The arrangement of the location, for example, tables and chairs, all the technology, the projector, the laptop. Is the sound on? Is the sound clear? Are there supplies, for example, notebooks and pens? And then refreshments must be taken before the meeting. There must be breaks, etc. Okay. Then there are also different roles that people play during a meeting. You've got your chairperson who's in charge of the meeting. You've got your secretary who's taking notes of the meeting. The treasurer is usually in charge of the money. And then together with that, you need to conduct the meeting properly. What are the things that you need to keep in mind? Make sure that everybody sticks to the time limit. I said time is very important. There must always be a time limit. Prioritize the objectives. What are objectives? It's the goals. And you've got to run the meeting according to the agenda. Again, if you have any questions, come and pop in.